everybody, this is Kim from Edwards and Associates CPA, and I wanted to talk to you today about IRS audits and how we can provide IRS tax relief. And it's one of the big differences between our firm and a lot of other CPA firms. They don't really offer this service, and this is something that we can do. It's a free initial consultation. We talk to you about your situation, and depending on what we can do for you and how much work it is, we do a package price. And so it's all done for you. And knock on wood, I've never lost a case. I've been through tax court as well for clients. And when you get that IRS audit notice, it's so stressful. I understand. I don't like the way they write the letters. I don't like the fonts that they use on the letters, and they do this just to scare people. And a lot of times when people get it, even if it's a $300 fine, it might not sound like that much, so you want to just write that check out. But I can tell you that if you contact us and you give me the situation, 9 times out of 10, I can write a pretty compelling letter to get that abated for you. Now, that's one of the easier IRS tax resolution, but there are other situations where you might have not made payroll tax deposits and you're getting audited. You might have had back taxes that you haven't paid for. You might have a big $10,000 or less or more, either one of those, tax liability that you can't pay for, and you don't know what to do. You don't know where to turn. You might have gotten audited or they sent an inquiry saying that they made a change to your tax return and that you owe a certain amount of money, and you don't know how to tell them that it's not true. You don't know how to how to go about conversing in IRS language. And that's what we're really, really good at. Really good at talking IRS language, because I was trained by an IRS auditor. He was a CPA and a former auditor. So I know what they're looking for. And one of the biggest mistakes that people make is that when the IRS is asking in the letter for a certain thing, people give them everything but that. So I'm really trained in that. Our firm is very well versed in this. So if you have any IRS, just come. It's initial consultation. It doesn't cost you anything. Let me assess it for you. Let me see what we can do for you. A lot of people will go to a tax attorney, and they're not really, they don't really do taxes. They're not really giving them the right answer for that. So we can bypass that and just get it all done for you. And if it's something that I can't do for you, I'll be honest and tell you that. But for 99% of the time, we can definitely do it. When I do take on something, I am like a pit bull. I don't know if I come across that way to you, but I know what I'm talking about. I get my ducks in a row. I'm very organized with it. I speak their language, and I fully expect to get a resolution for you. So that is why you want to choose Edwards and Associates CPA. Now, if you're having your taxes done somewhere else, you might consider having us do your taxes, because I take that same approach when I'm preparing your taxes. So everything that I put on your tax return for deduction or income, I know whether it's defensible or not. And that's a really nice safety net. That's a very, very high value that we offer to our clients. So we would love to have you as a tax client as well. We're very good with business law and business tax as well. So definitely keep us in mind, Edwards and Associates CPA. If you hear of someone that's in trouble with the IRS, please have them come our way. We'd love to help. So have a great day. Bye-bye.